Coryell's class. Today we're working on 4.5, converting mixed numbers and improper fractions. Can you convert between impropers and mixed?
Yes.
Fraction is simply what?
A division problem.
Love it. A whole number has to be above what number?
0.
And a whole number never has what? Never has extra parts. So a mixed number actually is a whole number combined with what?
A fraction.
So there's my whole number, there's my fraction, right? Cool. And an improper fraction is still a fraction, but what is crazy about an improper fraction? What is crazy about the numerator? Yeah, improper fractions have numerators that are bigger than denominators. That makes them improper. When you convert a mixed number to an improper fraction, we did this thing called what?
Around the world.
And around the world starts with the whole number, and it multiplies the whole number by the denominator. And then it takes that answer, and it adds the numerator to it, right?
Yes.
And that is our new numerator in an improper fraction, yes?
Yes.
What is the denominator when you convert from a mixed to an improper?
The same.
If the denominator is a 2 in the mixed number, it's going to be a 2 in the fraction, right?
Yes.
Question. How many full pizzas do you see here?
3.
No. How many full pizzas do you see here?
2.
2. And how many half pizzas do you see here?
1.
So that's 2.5, right?
Yes.
Isn't this equals means the same as, right?
Yes.
So how would I get 5 halves? Wait. So 5 halves would mean that we have 5 half pieces, or 5 halves of a pizza, right? So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 that are cut into what we have here is halves, yes?
Yes.
Brilliant. 4 3/4. What's the process to convert into an improper?
Around the world method.
Another picture to show how that works, yes?
Yes.
Cool. What's a fraction?
A division problem.
What does is mean?
Equal.
So it's literally an equal sign there?
Yes.
So is 5 halves equal to this division problem?
Yes.
Is it also equal to this mixed number answer?
Yes.
What happens if you have an improper fraction with a gigantic divisor?
Use a calculator.
And when we use a calculator, we're usually using what method?
Yes.
Guess and check, right? And we know that we can never have, when we're using division, we can never have a number bigger than what we're subtracting from, right?
Yes.
We good?